Hi, today I'm going to share some quick tips with you on how you can keep your Google Classroom organized, how you can make a copy of assignments for each student, and also how you can assign to more than one class at the same time, which is a big time saver. So let's get started. We're going to head over to Google Classroom.
I like to look at the Classwork tab, so I'm going to click right here on the Classwork tab at the top. And if you look here, there's different headings. So I'm going to show you when I post the assignment, how you can also get that, okay? I think that's helpful for the students so they can see stuff organized. So you're going to go to create, and then you have different options. If it's just a website that you're posting or something like that, I would suggest using material. However, if it's something that the students are handing in, then you definitely want to do an assignment. So let me go and click on assignment. Okay, now I'm going to put the title, put some instructions, okay, and then I'm going to go and grab my assignment from my Google Drive. So I'm going to grab this first thing here, and I'm going to click add. Okay. Now, this step is important. Make sure you do this when you are assigning it the first time, because if you don't do this step, you can't fix it later. So you want to make sure you click make a copy for each student. So essentially makes a photocopy for each student. If it's a file that they just need to view, then it's fine to leave it on can view a file. Some people get confused because they want to use can edit a file. Just beware of that, because that means the kids are all on the same file. So I'm going to click make a copy. So make sure that says that there. Then the topic is what you're going to pick to make it organized. So you would go here. If you already have the topic, great. If not, you click create a topic and you make one. Okay, so that is helpful to keep your classwork page organized. And then the last thing I want to point out, if you are a teacher that has multiple classes and you're posting the same thing to several classes, you're going to click on the classes, and then you're going to just click the little boxes for the classes that you want to add it to. So if I wanted to add it to all the second grade classes, I can do that. Okay, then I'm just going to click off of it, and I can see that it's assigned to all 4 classes.
If you only wanted to assign something for specific students, then you would make sure that there's one classroom here. And then once there's only one classroom listed, you can click on all students, and then you can actually take the check mark off of all students, and then you would only select the students that you wanted to send it to. When I click off of it, you can see that it's assigned to 2 students. You can also take this off if it's not graded. You can make this ungraded. That's one other thing too. So definitely look through the side and make sure it is what you want it to be. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. Have a great day.